Hey, what's up, you little freaks? I'm Baby Yoda. But I won't be Baby Yoda anymore. And just like that, I am now human. I won't lie to you guys, I am overheating. That's better. I'm sorry, Mom, but I got your bed sheets dirty. I hope this doesn't stain. Shall we take the ears off? I won't lie to you guys, I spent a little too long painting these. Okay, just one more? No, I can do this, that's fine. I don't know why I always choose to put liquid latex so close to my hair. But now we just gotta take off this pretty face. Nightmare fuel. Green paint doesn't stain skin, right? Alright, I took a shower and I think we're in the clear. Comment which movie character you want to see me turn myself into next. I could not say that correctly, but you know what I mean. And of course, the most important thing, don't forget to have an amazing day. Yo, I've been really wanting to do a look inspired by Doja Cat's new song, but like, I didn't want to do the classic, you know, demon makeup, because I feel like I've done that already, and everyone's done that already, so I was scrambling for inspiration. And y'all, I found this. And I'm inspired. I'm obviously not gonna copy it exactly, but I'll do something in that same aesthetic. First things first, I'm painting my whole face white. Also, it's currently 10 p.m., so we'll see what time I finish this. The base is done, and I look insane. I'm just gonna jump straight into the red. We're going for the eyes. So from what I understand, I gotta outline the bottom of the eye because that mascara stain has to be white. And then I gotta do like a reverse eyeliner moment. Oop. Why does that look so big on my face? Oh my god, okay. Help. I'm not sure if she's giving eyeliner, but let me see what I can do on the other side. Okay, she's symmetrical enough. Okay, for the cheeks though, I want to do something a little different. I'm not sure what I'm doing, but something like that. And then this, and connect, and then boom. Now to a little bit of shading. Okay, it's officially been over an hour, and this is getting somewhere. Okay, hear me out. I painted a little horns, and I'm gonna glue them, like right here. I mean, yes. Okay, there's a bunch of little dots on the horns, so I'm thinking, what if I add little freckles? I'm also using a big dry brush to add like extra texture. Now we gotta move on to the mouth. Starting with the middle. Okay, and now I'm gonna add these little like fang looking thingies going up. Should I add the same ones to the bottom? Yes. I feel like a black wig would match this look. I think the wig is looking pretty nice. I'm gonna paint my hands and then put in contacts. And then I'll be done. I painted my hands before putting on my contacts, so I'm putting on gloves. Okay, the contacts are in, and I am finally done. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Well, yes, of course, it's time to take this off again. It feels so nice to see. Now, I've done a lot of things for my makeup looks, but I can definitely say I never had to glue popcorn to my face before. I guess there's a first time for everything, huh? Let's start taking these off. I'll start with the small ones. Oh, it broke. That was so much bigger than I expected. Ah! Now the big boy. Oh, am I beautiful? I really hope my eye is not stained. Oh god. I think I'm good. I took it all off. Yeah. And you guys have an amazing day. You little freaks, guess what time it is? It's time to take this off again. Also, sorry, I have to be quiet again because I always wait till everyone's asleep to film. I'm not afraid of anything anymore. Silent screaming helps. Also, I have a little problem. I did my nails the other day and I have no idea how to take my contacts out with nails. I feel like I'm gonna poke my eye out. Wish me luck. Okay, well, I mean, I got one and my eye is still there, so let's try that again. You guys, it's stuck and I can't take it out. I don't know what to do. Okay, I just had a mini heart attack, but I got it out. And of course, here's your favorite nightmare fuel. I took a shower and I'm all clean now. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Yes, of course, it is time to take this off again. If I blow hard enough, these teeth will come off. Oh no, they're... I didn't think it would actually work. We're not gonna stop there, though. Okay, this is gonna take too long. Oh, I'll save that one for last. I'm pretty happy with how this makeup came out, but... Oh? But I'm really tired and I'm really hungry. Ow. So we just gotta push through. Oh, I almost forgot about the nose again. That really popped off. DIY blackhead removal, anyone? Just kidding, please don't do that. Wow, don't I look beautiful? And your favorite nightmare fuel? Alright, I am now clean, but my skin is definitely stained. Oh, and also I uploaded a full YouTube video on this look, so go ahead and check that out. The link is in my bio. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Well, yes, of course, it's time to take this off again. I am Dream, as you can tell. A very terrifying version of Dream, but I am Dream. I'm gonna start by taking out my contacts, cause, ow, they hurt. I mean, like, they're just more uncomfortable than anything. Now it's time for the smile. Oh boy. Oh. Nice. I did not think that this is what my Tuesday afternoon would be looking like. Let's take the rest of this off. I would say nightmare fuel, but the original look was way scarier than this. Whoop. Okay, this is gonna take a while. I'm gonna go shower.
Get unready with me, special effects makeup. This is about to hurt so bad. It looks so weird. Let's get these contacts out. There we go. Thanks for watching. Take off my makeup with me, Snowman edition. Gotta get this scarf off and this hat, the wig. All right, let's get this nose off. Look at this. Do we think this is gonna rip my eyebrows off? A little more on my nose. I'm gonna try and wipe it. This is not coming off my nose. I'm gonna go shower. Take off my makeup with me. These contacts are crazy. Let's get them out. Ooh, number 2. Wow. Now I'm gonna just grab my towel and start wiping. It's gonna be so satisfying. Start rubbing her off. Get the other side. No, I just have funky eyebrows. Goodbye, little snowflake. Goodbye, funky eyebrow number 2. This is literally just water, you guys. It's coming off so easily. Wipe that one off. Wow, I look very ill. I'm gonna go shower.
Hey there, little freaks. You know what time it is. It's time to take this off again. I'm pretty proud of this one. Like, this is one of the my most favorite looks. I know what I'm saying. I can't talk, but I know what I'm saying. I will stop talking so you guys can enjoy the quality ASMR. Lovely. A lot of you guys are recreating my looks and I love it. It's amazing. I love it when you tag me in your videos. But I rip latex off of my skin because my skin is numb. If it hurts to take off, please use warm water and oil. I will soon be posting a tutorial for that look. And have a great day, you guys. Oh, well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? I'm a creeper. Watch out, I'm about to explode. Just kidding. But you already know what time it is. Let's take this off again. So all of this is connected. I'm gonna have to do this in one go. Okay. Okay, I got this. These lines are kind of sharp though. Also, I guess it wasn't connected. Let's do the other pieces then. Guess fast is the way to go. Yeah, never mind. Slow. Almost there. That was nice. Now it's just the easy part left. All clean now. Hey there, you little freaks. Guess what time it is? It's time to take this off again.
Yeah.
I can finally talk and I can drink some water and I am so happy and I've never been this happy before. So cute. I really hope I don't break out tomorrow because damn, that was a lot of latex on my face. While I had that on, 3 people managed to call me and I was not able to pick up the phone because I wasn't able to talk. This feels so good. Also, this is kind of random, but I dyed my eyebrows. So like, I can wake up and just go on about my day with my eyebrows being done. Like, what? But anyways, thank you guys for watching and I hope you have an amazing day today. Hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Oh yes, it is time to take this off again. Let's start with the hook. Well, that was easy. Psych, there's way more than that. That was nice. I literally glued these things on with tape. Yeah. I literally drew them on blue paper as well. Snatch the weave. I am in love with these lashes, but they gotta go. Boop. Take the contacts out too. And now I'm gonna go wash my face. And that is all. Have an amazing day, you guys. Hey, what's up, you little freaks? How's it going? It is time to take this off again. Contacts are off and I can see. Time for the good stuff. Okay. Ooh. I wanted to take it off all in one piece, but I don't think that's gonna happen. I mean, kinda. This was my second attempt at doing the Lust look because the first time I did it, I did not like it. I am pretty happy with this one though. I need to go wash my face. I'll be right back. So much better. The full tutorial for that look, as well as the products I used, will be in the link in my profile. And as always, have an amazing day, you guys.
Take off my makeup with me. We're gonna do something different. I'm gonna take you guys to the bathroom. Not like that. That sounded weird. Look how sweet these little cats are. They were watching me do makeup. We made it. Ignore my pajama pants. You can't see those in the video. All right, time to take off the cloak. Bold! I just spent 400 bucks at Sephora on pharmacy products. So we're gonna start with our cleansing balm. I'm gonna try to wash this hand. So I'm just taking some of that and rubbing it into the makeup. Can't forget about the neck. Now we rinse. Now using my towel here, I'm gonna try to wipe off all the paint that I didn't get. Now I need to take out these alien contacts. And number 2. They really burn after a while. This is my heavy duty cleanser when I can't get paint off. Brand new. Dry it off again. Moisturize so my skin doesn't hate me more than it already does. That is the best we can do. See you next time. Take off my makeup with me, scary toothy person edition. Guys, I literally made this entire thing by myself and I'm really proud of it. First, we gotta get rid of these contacts. Oh my gosh, I can see again. Okay, I guess let's start with my little head scar. Let's try and get some of these teeth out. Oh my gosh. He's getting a lot of money from the Tooth Fairy. Let's see if I can get any of this off. Ow! Now I just look like I have a bloody mustache. Okay, you can do this, you can do this. Ow. I don't think this glue is ever coming off my face, so I'm gonna go shower.
Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Well, yes, of course, it's time to take this off again. This little beauty's been falling off since I put it on, pretty much. This should be easy. There's still latex on my neck, of course. Yeah! This side, however, is on there pretty good. Let's just start from the top and maybe make it drop. Just kidding, that's for later. The reason I'm talking so much is because I don't want to take this off, because it's gonna be painful. Okay, just one quick motion. Yeah, it just rips the paper. We're like halfway done. I surprise myself sometimes. Okay, one last one. Why do I do this to myself? I don't know. I hope your pain is amusing. I did not say that right. I hope my pain is amusing to you. There we go, Valeria. Second time is the charm. That's also not the saying. Our favorite nightmare fuel. And I'm all clean now. Well, hello, what's out there? It's time to take this off again. Roblox has so many different parts in it that I couldn't think of anything better than just doing a logo-inspired makeup. And for what it is, I'm really happy with the look. Let's take it off. Ooh, ooh. Ow! That didn't hurt, that was all acting. The tears are also fake. Ready? Watch this, no emotions. Nothing. But we're not done yet. Oh no. I thought it was in my hair for a second. Oof. Now it's just the easy part left. Lovely. This is what I see in my nightmares. This is always my favorite part. Oh, that's clean. I am so easily amused. Oh my god. Okay, please leave my eye. Thank you very much. And for the most part, I am clean. My face is slightly stained pink, but we can deal with it. And well, you guys have an amazing day.
The time has come to take this off. But where do we start, you may ask? Well, let's take these fins out that I bobby pinned to my wig and this crown. Remove these beautiful, luscious blue locks. Oh my. Believe it or not, my eyes are not actually yellow. Let's take these out. I'm about to be Spain without the S. Let's do that again. Oh my god. My cheeks are actually throbbing. Let's see what this does. I'm gonna go shower. Take off my makeup with me. Handsome Squidward edition. Alright, I'm gonna start with the bald cap. Oh gosh. Okay, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get this chin off without remover. Part of it. Oh my god, that hurts so bad. I used some Spirit gum remover. I can't, I literally can't. My skin is literally burning. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna go shower. Take off my makeup with me, zombie edition. Let's get rid of these contacts. There's one. There's two. Okay, here we go. That looks good. All right, gotta get this one off the forehead. I'm in pain. Love that for me. Let's get this spicy little number off my neck. My cheek looks so chunky. I don't know if this is ever coming off.